What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing or unbagging a new watch band for my Galaxy Watch Ultra. Let's check it out. So before we get into this guy, I want to talk about this watch band. I literally have not worn anything else on my watch for a long time. Nerides, I think, is the name of the brand. It's my favorite color, but it is pretty beat. I've literally worn this every day since I've gotten it, and it's been my favorite band by far. But the Velcro up here is good, obviously, because I don't use it up there, but you can see the difference. It's fresh Velcro there, and it's a little bit beat down here. It doesn't hold so well. So unfortunately, it is time to move on, and I need to try something new. And here we are. Taking off the bands is pretty straightforward. One thing I always have to remember is which side the long part's on and the buckle. So long side up for me, because I wear it buttons reversed. So I've not yet to take off a band with this thing on. Let's see how it goes. Oh, that's not bad. Okay, cool. I'm not with the band, but with the case. So I've got the a case on here that I really enjoy. I've not taken off since I put it on there. I think I got it at the same time. Got the band. What's cool is they have little buttons that press through, similar to like how an OtterBox would press through to the buttons on a case. They do come off. And there we have it. So thank you, Nerdies. Time to go. And here we are. So this watch band is BandRain, I think is the name of the store it came from. Not a lot to see here from a packaging perspective, but it was less than $8. I'm sorry, less than $9. It was $8.41. There we go. Nothing really to see here as far as anything else inside of the packaging. And so there's a little dust on it right away. That doesn't feel great. Ooh, I like that mechanism. That's pretty neat. You lift up on these two ears and it pops out. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Let's see. I wonder how hard that will be to do with one hand. We shall see. Yeah, but this stretchable, breathable fabric, similar to the bands you see from Apple themselves. Pretty cool. My watch is crazy dirty, but I do not care. Boom, clicked right in. I'm definitely going to have to adjust this thing. And boom, clicked right in. Now I'm curious how this lets you take it off. Okay, it just lets you loosen it. Okay, that's what it is. So let's try it out. So I like that it stops, right? So you can do this to it, to put it on, and not have to worry about dropping it. And I guess you, in theory, pull it all the way through to where you feel comfortable. That's way too tight, but it holds really well. Boom. So let's adjust this thing. I guess this guy has to unclip somehow, or does it just slide? Let's see. Oh, cool. I got a little break there. Just slide it down to where you want it. It does feel like it's being a little rough on the material when you slide it down, but we'll see. You lock it in place. All right. Not bad. What my problem I usually have with bands that go through the loop and then back somewhere down into the wrist area is that normally that turnaround is big. You know, you can see it there a little bit, but it is not gigantic and it is super comfy. It's a little less standoutish compared to my Nerides, but I kind of like the orange. I'm super colorblind and this was easy to see. That's why I liked it. But this is a bit more business, if you will. I do wonder how this is going to hold up. The braided material does feel pretty good. For $8.41 exactly off of Amazon.com, I can't really complain. If you're looking for something that is self-capturing, meaning that doesn't come undone, you don't have to worry about the watch falling off should it come undone, this will definitely do that for you. I really like this mechanism here to capture the locking portion, the buckle, if you will. Seems pretty straightforward. Looks like it uses the tip of that as an anchor. And what I like is it's very easy to find or to home or to click in. And yeah, really, what else can you ask for? Should be a no-brainer to put on, operate pretty quickly, and feel comfortable when you get it there. And I do like that I don't have to find the comfortable position for it every time I put it on. I don't have to adjust. One of the things I did notice with the Velcro band is each time I put it on, I had to like find the right spot for it. It took me a couple seconds, not really a big deal, first world problems, but it was something that I did notice about the band. This is definitely something I feel like I'm going to enjoy. Is anyone getting the Galaxy Watch Ultra 2? I don't know, man. I'm like torn. I'm into the fact that the new one's way brighter. I'm a little nervous that I don't know if they make this case for it yet. This case definitely saved my phone, my watch for sure. Let me know what you guys are doing. Are you getting the new one, sticking with something different, waiting for something else to come out? Post below in the comments and let me know what you think or what you're going to do for regarding the new watch coming out. Thanks for stopping by and checking out this video with me today. If you liked the video, hit that thumbs up. If not, hit the thumbs down. And as always, I appreciate the subscription. Peace.